Good morning from my new apartment in Japan. There are so many new things that I love about my apartment. There's a balcony that I can go out on and hang up my clothes and sit if I want to get a chair. Also this ledge area above my bed that I desperately need curtains for, because if anybody walks down here, and because I'm only on the second floor, people walk down fairly often, I can see them and they can see in here. So I need to get that done. But truly, I am so thankful for this new apartment. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Let's see what we can get into today to make this apartment feel like home. We're going to tackle this shelving. I know I can do it. This might be the easiest thing that I've assembled in my room so far. So far, I'm a little bit worried because this does not seem like tight at all. I think that looks cute. That'll be cute, but you can still see through. That's funny. Now that I have finally gotten my life together, I'm able to show you my new apartment. So this is the entrance. It's cute. And then this opens. We have an elevator, and then I usually take the stairs. Okay, and here are the first looks at my apartment. During this video, the lighting will probably not be the best because, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. It's just the lighting situation thing, but forgive the lighting and let's begin the tour. Over here, we have my kitchen. The kitchen has a lot more space than compared to my previous apartment, and I'll give you a closer look. Starting over here, we have my pot. The pot I got off of Amazon. Frother, some kitchen space, and then obviously I keep all of my ingredients, soaps, coffee stuff, spices up there. There's a lot more space compared to my old apartment, and the refrigerator and the microwave, I had to rent it from the apartment that I was using, but the kitchen is great. I have some storage down here that I keep some stuff, and then also a vent, and then more space up here where I keep my cups. I love the kitchen. I actually feel in the mood to cook now, especially because obviously I'm on a student budget. I need to save money, but I love the kitchen. To the right of me is my washing machine. Nothing special. I don't have a dryer, but most Japanese apartments do not have dryers. And then here, I'll just show you quickly. This is where I keep my shoes, and here's the front door. This is my bathroom, and my shower is over here. So here's the bathroom. Nothing special. There's a bidet. I love the bidet because we typically don't have them as frequently in the US. And then also some storage above. That is where I keep all of my hair stuff, and that just keeps it out of the way. Moving on to my bathroom. Has a sliding door, and it's where the magic happens. It's a nice shower. I really like it. I definitely like this bathroom a bit more because there's a lot more ventilation. We also have this. It's nice to have storage in your bathroom because now I actually do my makeup and stuff in the bathroom as opposed to just using the mirror that's in my room. But now that that is done, I will move on to show you my bedroom. Let's go. Here is my apartment bed. I got the table from 2nd Street. It was 1,300 yen, so very affordable. And then this is probably one of my favorite parts of the apartment. I love how it came together. For example, when I first got this apartment, like I literally thought I would be spending all of my time here, but I don't, just to say that. But it's nice. I mean, oops. Like, I can sit up here. I mean, my head almost hits the top, but it doesn't, so that's nice. But I imagine that I'll be doing a lot of talking heads here, so prepare to be tired of this space. Moving on to other parts of my luxurious apartment. Not luxurious, but affordable Japanese apartment. This is where I will keep my clothes. Whenever it rains, I'll dry them here, or just the extra clothes that I like to see every day, I keep them here. And here's my desk. I am a crowded desk sort of girl. I really can't get around it any other way, but this is my desk. Next, here's my mirror. It's from the old apartment, so nothing special there. But next, we do have my balcony, and I'll get a better view. This is me on my balcony. I have to be quiet because I have neighbors, obviously, but I love having a balcony. It's so nice. Look at that. So beautiful. We don't have mountains in Texas. And this is where I go grocery shopping over here. Daiso, that little place. And it's beautiful. I have a great view of this area. That pretty much concludes my room tour vlog. If you have any questions about renting apartments in Japan, please let me know. But the company that I used is called Apaman Shop, and I absolutely loved it, and I would definitely recommend for you to use it in the future. I think it's important to note, in general, some of the challenges that foreigners have when renting in Japan. So Japan unfortunately does have some rules where they do not rent certain apartments to foreigners. That, however, was not my experience. But I will also say, even though I used Apaman Shop, one of my friends is also using Apaman Shop. I think actually two of my friends, there were some apartments that they were not able to tour or able to live in because they did not rent to foreigners. So even though this company does have apartments that are available to foreigners, not all of them offered by this company will rent to foreigners. Additionally, if you do not speak Japanese, my Japanese is not good enough to where I would be able to negotiate prices or talk about move-in dates or anything like that. But I was able to find a English-speaking staff at the Apaman Shop near my university. So if you are living in Japan for an extended period of time, I definitely would recommend Apaman Shop because at least some of their apartments they are able to rent to foreigners. But that concludes my room tour vlog, and just thank you so much for watching.